Hello everybody. So today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how I create multiple posts using MailChimp. For those of you who are not familiar with what MailChimp has to offer, MailChimp is an automated marketing service where within the platform you're able to grow your audience through distributing literature to like your newsletter and your subscribers. It also allows you to obviously, brand your business, and it gives you a little bit more organization. So there's a lot of cool things that are in this platform. I use it for my business, and I just create like subscribers newsletter. I create landing pages for my business. And today, like I said, I'm going to be creating some multiple social posts. So with that being said, let's get started. On the left-hand side, when I go ahead and tap or click on create, you're going to see where it says social post. So right here, you're going to click on social post. And I'm going to go ahead and just name this content strategy just for tutorial purposes, because it's going to also align with what I'm looking to post here. And in the next page is going to show you where do you want to show your post. You have three options. You have Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter, or you can just do Facebook and Instagram. I mean, it's completely up to you. I would just do all three. That's going to obviously help you. So with that being said, I'm going to go ahead and save and continue. Upload one of the pictures that I have here, and I'm going to go ahead and upload that. And this is basically, like I said, it aligns with everything that, I kind of want to talk about. And I already have pre-written literature here. So let me go ahead and save and continue. And over here is going to show you where you want it to be distributed. I have two Facebook business page, but I want it in the writing page. And I also have my Instagram and also my Twitter. So for Twitter, because it is a platform that you can only use specific or, less characters, I have to kind of minimize my literature there. So at this point, you have created, and this is real simple, guys. I know a lot of you have reached out to me about creating YouTube videos and how you don't have the equipment or the camera. Honestly, you would be surprised how much people genuinely appreciate more home videos, because you're hustling, right? You have a goal in mind, and that's kind of the mentality that, you kind of set out there. So don't get discouraged if you don't have the fancy cameras, because I don't have none of that either. But okay, let's go ahead and save and continue. Right here is going to say content strategy will be shared to Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. And basically, you're just going to go ahead and press the publish now, and it's going to allow you to review. Once you go ahead and do that, voila, it is published, and that is it. You have also the option to upgrade and schedule your posts, but I don't do it that way because I schedule my posts already through Facebook, and I'll show you how to do that on another tutorial. But again, with that being said, I hope you guys enjoy this, and it added some value to either your research or give you some type of inspiration on what you can do on MailChimp, because MailChimp is a platform that you don't have to just utilize it for mail subscribers. You can also utilize it for posts, landing page, and things like that. All right, guys, enjoy the rest of your evening, and I will see you on the next video. Bye.